Hello, my name is Shaylin Webber, and I'm a young professional from the United States, and I participate in this year's ISKOOL Denim Design Awards. I graduated last fall, but because of the pandemic and the current situation, I ended up coming home to quarantine. Being able to work on this project during quarantine has really allowed me to reconnect with myself as a designer and sort of work more outside of my comfort zone, learning to problem solve and express myself creatively. For my showpiece jacket, I wanted to highlight the denim that we were being given and play with techniques I didn't have as much experience with. I thought back to some of the textile classes I had taken earlier on, and I remember the feeling of making a textile by hand and hand dyeing it, and how connected you felt with that piece and how special that felt to you. And it was something I really wanted to embrace in this jacket, was to make the textiles in it feel really special and unique and one of a kind. Something that was really important to me for this project was challenging myself to pattern draft with the idea of keeping the garments as low waist as humanly possible. So I focused more on keeping the shapes very simple in an effort to use almost all the material. And I ended up with sort of this wide coat that used the width of the material and allowed me to really experiment with the textiles I was developing and the ideas I was playing with there, while only needing me to really cut out a hole for the neck and then another one for the waist, which I ultimately took those pieces and turned them into face masks, and I reinterpreted even smaller scraps and repurposed them into denim paper for my marketing project, allowing me to really use as much of the material as I possibly could. And it was through the textiles themselves I really drew a common thread connecting all my elements in my project together.